So what is the next step here? Just wait a minute. So in the last class, given the problem y double dash minus xy equal to 0, so we have to find the series solution. We have to find the series solution. So how to find the series solution? The last class we have discussed about this, and then now see that um, you are taking that the power series is y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n, and then if you are substituting this power series in this equation, you are getting this equation. So what is the next step? Next step is you have to write everything in terms of x power n. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? Anybody? Can you tell me that? What is the next step? Ajita, Ajita, join பண்ணியம்மா. Yuvashree, check bola.
So we have to take first series and then substitute n minus 2 by I.
No, no, that result and equation I am asking.
Okay,
Then
okay.
what will be the x power n, x power n for both? Tell me that next step. Summation of n equal to
N plus 1.
not
N
n
plus
plus
2.
1, n plus 2 na.
Yeah.
What about this summation? Summation you should start
0
with
to
summation
alpha.
na. Ah,
0 to alpha.
0 to infinity, not
Infinity.
alpha this one.
Sorry, sir.
Ah,
N
0 to
plus 1.
infinity, n plus 2.
N plus 1.
Hmm.
X to the power n.
No, no. What
Or
about an?
an plus 2.
An plus 2.
Xn. X to the power n.
Then minus.
Minus
Hmm.
summation
Hmm.
n from 0 to infinity.
Check it once again. Anybody, any others?
So 1 to infinity, sir.
N equal to 1 to infinity.
A n minus 1.
An minus Nandini Deviya.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. An minus 1.
X to the power n.
Correct. Very good. So next step enna? What is the next step? See the last problem. Same procedure na. What is the next step? So here starting from n equal to 1 to infinity, Therefore, the equation, you give some equation number here. In case if you are giving that equation number 1, up to now I didn't give any equation number. In case if I give that equation number 1, equation number 1 can be written as, already it is start from n equal to 1. Write down. Already the second term start from n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity. When n equal to 0, the first series can be written as, when n equal to 0, it becomes 2 into 1 an, n equal to 0 na, a2, that's all, 2 a2 n equal to 0 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 an plus 2 x power n. The series, the first term of the series can be written as, so here minus is there, minus n equal to 1 to infinity an minus 1 x power n. This is equation number 2. Now it is summation of n equal to 1 to infinity, summation of n equal to 1 to infinity is there. We can take it outside. So 2a2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 an plus 2 minus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an minus 1 x power n equal to 0. Everywhere equal to 0 should be there, equal to 0. So we know that set the coefficients, all the coefficients equal to 0. All the coefficients equal to 0. If the power series equal to 0, if the power series equal to 0, then all its coefficients set to equal to 0. So when n equal to 0, what happened? When n equal to 0, 2a2, this one. When n equal to 0, 2a2, leave it. Okay. When n equal to 1, when n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, when n equal to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, n plus 2, n plus 1, an plus 2 minus an minus 1 equal to 0. When n equal to 1, 2, 3 infinity, n plus 2, n plus 1, an plus 2 minus an minus 1 equal to 0. Which is the recurrence relation? Which is the recurrence relation which is the recurrence relation which gives that n plus 2, n plus 1, an plus 2 equal to an minus 1. So an plus 2 equal to an minus 1 divided by n plus 2, n plus 1. Substituting n equal to 1 to infinity, substituting n equal to 1 to infinity, we get that when n equal to 1, a3 equal to a naught by n equal to 1 na. Here 3 into 2. A3 equal to A0 by 3 into 2. Come on. N equal to 1, 2, 3 na, etc. So A4, what is A4 here? A1 by 4 into 3. A5 equal to A2 by 5, 4. A6 equal to A3 by 6, 5. But what is A3? A3 is A0 by 3 into 2. So we can write that A6, A7, A8, etc. Here, listen. When n equal to 0, 2a2 na, 2a2 we can write, but that is equal to 0 na, that is equal to 0. Then what happened to a2? Anybody? See, I am writing here all the coefficients are equal to 0. Here also we can write that. The coefficients are 0 na. So here what happened? That is equal to 0 means what is n equal to 0? 2a2. 2a2 value is what? Sorry, a2 value is what? If a plus b equal to 0, then what? You know the rules na? If ab equal to 0, then what? These are the basics. Anybody? Quick. If a plus b equal to 0, then a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. Okay. If ab equal to 0, then either a equal to 0, either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. Here you can see that here a is also equal to 0, b is also equal to 0. You have to use that. And here a in case if it is in multiplication, then either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. So here we are using that or. Okay. Similarly here, if you take this as a, this as b, both of them equal to 0, then compulsory a2 equal to 0. A2 equal to 0. Write down. A2 equal to 0. So what happened here? A5 equal to A2 by 5 into 4. Therefore, that is equal to 0. A5 equal to 0. A5. Then what is A6 here? A6 is A3 by 6 into 5. But that is what? A0 by 6, 5. 6 into 5. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. A7 equal to A7. What is A6? Okay. A7. A7 is what? A7 is A4 by 7 into 6. 7 into 6. But A4 is what? A4 is A1 by 4 into 3. 7 into 6. And continue so on. Similarly, what happened? A8? A8 equal to A5 by 8 into 7. But that is equal to 0. Because A5 equal to 0, na? A8 equal to 0. From the recurrence relation, we can write that. What is the general format? Can you tell me that? General format? Are you able to write the general format? So, but beginning is 3, 2, then 5, 6, A0, 3, 2, 5, 6, then continue like that. Then we can write this as A3K. Generally, we can write that A3K equal to, because the starting is 3, na? Even you can take A3K. A3K equal to A0 by 2, 3, 2 into 3, 5 into 6, etc. 3K minus 1 into 3K. A3K equal to A0 by 2 into 3, 5 into 6, 3K minus 1 into 3K. For K equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Similarly, A3K plus 1. Wherever K is there, you can substitute that. A3K plus 1 equal to A1 by 2, 3, 5, 6. Is it start from 3, 4 or? Yeah, 3, 4, 6, 7. Sorry. 3, 4, 6, 7, etc. 3K, 3K plus 1. A3K plus 2, 0. A3K plus 2, 0. Where K equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So what is the series here? Y of x equal to can I rub this side, left hand side? Can I rub the left hand side? Huh?
Yes, sir.
But given the power series is, y of x equal to, but given the power series is y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n, that is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a to x square a k x power k plus a k plus 1 x power k plus 1 etc. But our requirement is a 3k x power 3k na. So we can write here based on a 3k x power 3k a 3k x power 3k plus a 3k plus 1 x power 3k plus 1 etc. So a naught a1x plus 0 plus a naught 6 by x cube plus a1 12 by x power 4 plus etc. plus a naught x power 3k by 2 3 5 6 3k minus 1 into 3k plus a1 x power 3k plus 1 by 3 4 6 7 etc. 3k into 3k plus 1 plus x. If you collect the like terms, if you collect all the like terms, then y of x can be written as is y of x na is also y of x. If you collect all like terms, then y of x can be written as a naught into 1 plus summation of k equal to 1 to infinity x power 3k x power 3k by 2 3 5 6 2 3 5 6 3k minus 1 into 3k plus a1 into x plus summation of k equal to 1 to infinity because a1 x is there. Therefore, if you are taking that a1 outside, then 1x is there. X plus summation of k equal to 1 to infinity x power 3k plus 1 x power 3k plus 1 divided by 3 4 6 7 etc. 3k into 3k plus 1. This is the required answer. We passed to two problems on based on origin x naught equal to 0. In case x naught is some point is there, some point about some point x equal to 2 or x equal to 3 something, then how can we do that? Find the problem. Find the first four terms in each portion. Find the first four terms in each portion of the series solution. Find the first four terms in each portion of the series solution around x naught equal to -2, around x naught equal to -2 for the following differential equation. For the following differential equation, y double dash minus xy equal to 0. Find the first four terms in each portion of the series solution around x naught equal to -2 for the following differential equation, y double dash minus xy equal to 0. First you have to write the power series. What is the power series for this given problem? Madhumita or Madhumita?
Sir,
சொல்லுங்க. What is the power series for this given problem?
y of x equal to
சொல்லுங்க.
a naught into
Summation
k equal to
summation போடலாமா வேணாமா?
போடலாம் சார் n equal to 0 to infinity
ஆ
an
ம்
x bar n.
இங்கதான் தப்பு. Last problem, x naught is 0. Here x naught is -2. Then what is the power series? Any others? Narmata. Madhumita Kumari. Padmasree. சொல்லுங்க யாரனா ஒருத்தர் டக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
x plus 2 whole power n.
X plus 2 whole power n. Then what is y dash of x? What is y double dash of x? What is y dash of x? What is y double dash of x?
summation n equal to 0 to infinity n into an into x plus 2 whole power n.
கரெக்டா? கரெக்ட்டுங்களா அது?
Summation n equal to 1 to infinity.
Y double dash of x. What is the next step? Substitute this y double dash and then y of x in this given equation. We will get that summation of n equal to 2 to infinity y of n into n minus 1 a n x plus 2 whole power n minus 2 minus x into summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. What is the next step?
Index shifting, sir.
Index shift. What is the index shift here? Last class, I have solved one problem based on this. In case if x is there, last class, last problem, then how can you do that in the index shift? So what is the next step here? Term 2, term 1. Take this as T1, T2. First, to find term 1 in terms of x power n. Term 1 in terms of x power n. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Last, already we have solved this. N plus 2, n plus 1, a n plus 2, x plus 2, whole power n is term 1. Okay. Term 2. Term 2 is somewhat lengthy. Term 2 only somewhat lengthy. Then how can we do that? So for the term 2, given x summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. So here what will you do here? X plus 2 minus 2 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. This can be written as x plus 2 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. Then minus 2 into summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n into x plus 2 whole power n. Then you can write this as summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n plus 1 minus 2 summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. But here n plus 1 is there. You have to change into x power n. So next step we can write that summation of n equal to 1 to infinity summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n minus 1 x plus 2 whole power n plus minus 2 into summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. Now everything is in x plus 2 whole power n. See that x plus 2 whole power n, x plus 2 whole power n, x plus 2 whole power n. What is the next step? Term 1 and term 2. First term 1 minus term 2 na. So therefore summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 x plus 2 whole power n minus n equal to 1 to infinity minus n equal to 1 to infinity a n minus 1 x plus 2 whole power n x plus 2 whole power n minus 2 minus minus plus summation of n equal to 0 to infinity 2 a n x plus 2 whole power n. Okay. Here you can see that here n equal to 0 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 0 to infinity. Then what is the next step? What is the next step? Everything should be starting with the same index. That means n equal to 1 to infinity. Which one? N equal to 0 means we are not able to write for n equal to 0 for this term. But we can write this two terms as n equal to 1 to infinity. So n equal to 1 to infinity means n equal to 0 means what? N equal to 0 means 2 a2 x plus 2 whole power 0. So 2a2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 into x plus 2 whole power n, one term. Here as it is you can write that minus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity a n minus 1 x plus 2 whole power n. Now here also n equal to 0 to infinity is there. When n equal to 0, what happen? 2a0 plus n equal to 1 to infinity. Summation of n equal to 1 to infinity 2an x plus 2 whole power n equal to 0. So what is the next step? Two a2 plus 2a0. 2a2 is there, 2a0 is there. Take it outside. I put that bracket here, no need. 2a2 plus 2a0 plus take it that summation of n equal to 1 to infinity outside, remaining n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 a n plus 2 minus summation of minus okay a n minus 1 minus a n minus 1 plus 2 a n into x plus 2 whole power n, that is equal to 0. So here clearly we can see that a2 equal to 0, a not equal to 0. From this to a2 equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Remaining is the recurrence relation. So recurrence relation you have to write in terms of Which is the highest one? an plus 2. Everything in terms of an plus 2 you have to write. Can you tell me what is in terms of a2 equal to 0, a0 equal to 0? But in terms of an plus 2, what is the value? Simplify and tell me that. Ramya. Ramya. See, when I call that, please respond.
Sir.
Ramya, சொல்லுங்க.
Yes, sir.
Simplify and tell me that what is that an plus 2 in. Shilu Saran,
Yes, sir.
சொல்லுமா. an plus 2. Simplify பண்ணலையா?
Yes, sir.
Divya Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
What is an plus 2 there? Just already it is equal to 0. Just equating to coefficients is equal to 0. Some keep it that an plus 2 one side. You can take it that all the things other side means then what you get? Very simple calculation I am asking.
an minus 1 minus 2an by n plus 2 into n plus 1.
இல்ல அது ஓகே an plus 2 சொல்றீங்க. an plus 2 equal to correct. an plus 2 equal to
an minus 1
minus 1. An minus 1.
minus 2an
Okay.
by
By
n plus 2 into n plus 1.
correct. Tula simple. See here we can do one thing. Here a2 equal to 0, a0 equal, instead of writing this thing, we can write that if you take it that 2a2 plus 2a0 equal to 0. At n equal to 0, write down. At n equal to 0, 2a2 plus 2a0 equal to 0. But a2 plus a0 equal to 0 mean a2 equal to minus a0. It is at n equal to 0. It is that value for n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to infinity. At n equal to 0, we get that a2 equal to minus a0, an plus 2 equal to an minus 1 minus 2an by n plus 2 into n plus 1. First, what is the question here? First 4 terms we have to find. At n equal to 1, at n equal to 1, we get a0 by 6 minus n equal to 1 na a0 by 6 minus a1 by 3 into 2. So 2 get cancelled. a1 by 3. a0 by 6 minus a1 by 3. Similarly, for n equal to 2, a0 by 6 plus a1 by 12. For n equal to 2, a1 by 12. For n equal to 3, don't get confused. Here minus is there. Already we are finding that a0 value here. a0 value. If you are substituting that value, we will get the answer. This one. When n equal to 1, it is a3 value, na? n plus 2, a3. It is a3. When n equal to 2 means it is a4. For n equal to 3, directly I skip some steps, then I write that. Minus a0 by 15, you can calculate afterwards. a0 by 15 plus a1 by 30. a1 by 30. So y of x equal to, therefore y of x equal to what is y of x here? Y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x plus 2 whole power n. So a naught n equal to 0 to infinity, na, that is equal to a naught plus a1 x plus 2 plus a2 x plus 2 whole square plus etc. up to infinity. So this can be written as a naught plus a1 into x plus 2 plus a2 into x plus 2 whole square. a2 is minus a naught. a2 is minus a naught. Minus a naught into x plus 2 whole square. Minus a naught into x plus 2 whole square. Plus a naught by 6 plus a naught by 6 minus a1 by 3 x plus 2 whole cube. Then this one a4. This is a5 now. This is a5. So what is the next step? a0 by 6 plus a1 by 12 plus a0 by 6 minus plus a1 by 12 x plus 2 whole power 4. Then minus a0 by 15 plus a1 by 30 minus a0 by 15 x plus 2 whole power 5 plus etc. So finally collect all the like terms. Finally collect all the like terms. We get collect all like terms. We get collect all like terms. We get y of x equal to a naught into 1 minus x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by 6 x plus 2 whole cube plus 1 by 6 x plus 2 whole power 4. Here minus a naught by 15, that means 1 by 15 x plus 2 whole power 5, close the bracket, plus a1 into x plus 2 minus 1 by 3 x plus 2 whole cube plus 1 by 12 x plus 2 whole power 4 plus 1 by 30 x plus 2 whole power 5. That's it. This is the answer for this. Only one exercise problem. Find the first 4 terms. Write the problem. Find the first 4 terms. In each portion. Of the series solution around x not equal to 0 for the following differential equation. The following differential equation: x square plus 1 y double dash minus 4xy dash plus 6y equal to 0.